everyone. Welcome back to the Urban Pharmacy Kitchen. It's me, Stacey Heine, your holistic nutritionist, plant-based coach, and waterless beauty mentor. Let's talk about food, okay? That's what we're here for. Today, we're talking about apple cider because we're going into the fall season and this is going to be a really popular ingredient in many people's kitchen. And I want to show you that this is something that you can use outside of just pouring yourself a glass, okay? Have you ever used it as a marinade? That is what I did, and I am going to do a taste test and show you what I think of what I just made, but I'm going to show you how I made it in between. Okay, so what I did, and I know it seems untraditional, is I took very large portobello mushroom caps. I took the stems off of them, and I actually marinated them overnight in apple cider and this awesome organic no salt seasoning from Costco. It's just the Kirkland brand. This is not sponsored, but it has a lot of different yummy ingredients, and it's salt-free, and I wanted to try it out, and it's a great seasoning. So I added that with the apple cider, and I marinated the portobello mushroom caps. I'm gonna show you how I made them in the pot, and then I'm gonna come back and do a taste test for you. So these have been cooking for about 8 minutes with the lid on at about medium heat or a little bit below it. I had to turn the heat down a little bit. So they're releasing their liquid, and I'm gonna let these go for another probably 6 minutes, and then we're gonna check them out. These are gonna be delicious. All right, so here is the final product. We had 4 portobello mushroom caps. The apple cider really ended up caramelizing down in the pan and getting nice and sweet. I'll show you since we cooked it with the gill side up and this top part of the mushroom facing down. It kind of has that caramelization on it, okay? Now, the moment of truth is our taste test. We're gonna cut into the mushroom. I ended up cooking it for about 20 minutes, a little lower than medium heat with the lid on so that it would really kind of cook through the mushroom. I'll show you the inside. Okay, so it really did cook through. It's not very white on the inside. And it's very juicy. It's very juicy. So we're gonna take a bite. Wow. That is good. That is a winner. Okay, the only thing that I would like is a little bit more spice. I think I would add a little black pepper to it, or maybe even drizzle it with the blazing habanero vinegar from California Balsamic. I think that would make it so epic. But this is such a fun fall-themed recipe. These portobello mushroom caps marinated in apple cider and salt-free seasoning from Costco. This seasoning has onion, garlic, carrot, black pepper, red bell pepper, tomato granules, orange peel, parsley, bay leaves, thyme, basil, celery, lemon peel, oregano, savory, mustard, cumin, marjoram, coriander, cayenne, and rosemary. So it really has a big blend of herbs and spices. You get the aromatics from the garlic and the onions. My goodness, I know it seems untraditional and weird, but you have got to try this recipe, okay? Try it out. Let me know what you think. And before I let you go, I want to let you know the Thrive Bundle is available right now. The Thrive Bundle is over $4,500 worth of plant-based recipes, courses, wellness tips, fitness, and so much more to help you feel better and to get you on the right path to wellness. And it is only available for 7 days only. So it's going to be gone at the beginning of September 2024. It's less than $50 to grab over $4,500 worth of content. If you feel like you need to hit that reset button, or if you want inspiration with hundreds and hundreds of whole food plant-based recipes to make you look great and feel fantastic, I highly suggest getting the Thrive Bundle. I'll link it down in the notes below. Get yourself back on track. No more heavy foods that make you feel dull and tired and like you have to take a nap after them. Let's flood our body with phytonutrients, whole starches, lots of yummy cancer-preventative foods like mushrooms and onions and aromatics and non-starchy vegetables and fruits to help us feel great and age well. All right, we'll see you soon and have a great day. Bye.